riding along. Yes, I have the advantage of having a nice road bike. Here. Yeah, what? Sorry? And I don't know, they're just behind. Maybe there you go. And so, this is, I don't know where we are. We are near Ashford, but just... Alright, I'm stopping. Hey guys. Why are we stopping? Damn it, I nearly got that, but not quite. That's very slippery, by the way.
No shit.
How you getting on?
Right, let me put the tyres up.
Yeah, no. How you getting on?
I'm so unfit.
I was just saying that I have the advantage of having slightly thinner tyres.
Slight, except for on ice.
And then so thin, thick.
Compared to mine, that's just funny.
Thickest.
Don't forget, it's going to be icy up here as well.
Oh.
Yeah, you're
gonna Oh.
You're probably better off going through that field.
Oh.
Good time.
Anyway.
Right, we're going.
Coming up on the left.
Hey!
Coming up on your right. Hey!
What's up?
Come on guys! Here we have the epic failings of Manos. It's still recording.
Yeah, that's it. Come on, give me the camera.
How? It's like attached to my wrist.
No, take it off then. I've got it. Let go.
I've let go. It's still recording.
Hello.
I know. What? That's me wobbling around. And cut. So. Oh, here comes Dave. It does, doesn't it? Listen. Oh, that's not fair! No, I'm recording, I have a camera! Anyway. This is a downhill. Don't slow down too much. Right, I'm coming on your left. I will not be able to stop. On your right. Fine. Okay. Good job he's got good brakes, because I wouldn't be able to stop.
Good job he's got, because I wasn't going.
Oh, good. Filming. Got that. Yeah. Oh, yes, old chap.
Good old chap, yeah.
Is that riffing? Tally ho!
I'm a kangaroo!
Oh, so we are in Y again. Oh, there's a Y, whatever that is. Zoom in. Y beauty.
Y beauty.
Hey up. And you. In between you guys. Hold up.
We're open till 10.
Ha There you are.
Hey!
Fun times, eh? I'm knackered. I think my bike is rubbing somewhere. Where are we?
Great Car Golf Course, just at the end there.
Yeah, I can know my way. Is this where we're parting?
It is. Yeah,
we're parting now.
We are parting.
I'm gonna hug you.
You're gonna hug me?
Yeah.
I will.
See ya.
Hi.
And this is where?
See you later, man.
Oh, hug, man, hug.
We'll definitely do it again. Woo!
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh god, no. Okay, back in. Come on, bike. You can do this. Alright, this is the last leg of our journey, and all through we have had, like, little patches of ice, but nothing like this. Here I come. And this is the end. We are nearing the end. We are coming to Betherston. We are...